Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good evening to you all. Here we go then. We are back with close-up coins. There's going to be 5 commemorative coins for guessing in this video. You're going to see the close-ups of the 5 coins themselves. Can you, with your coin knowledge, work out what these coins are? 5 coins then. One of them is a territory coin. I'm not going to tell you which one. One of them's a £2 coin. And the rest of them are all 50 pences. Again, I'm sure a lot of you will have these coins in your collections at home. So if you are struggling, maybe get those coin albums out and have a little look to see if you can match your coin up with one of these 5 on the screen. As always, I'm going to put it on a couple of loops at the end, just so it makes it easier for you all to concentrate without me talking in the background. And again, we'll look over all of these answers on Wednesday evening, and we will be getting another one up for the rest of the week. So again, best of luck everyone. Get your 5 guesses in the comment section below. Also, a new Guess Dan's coin has gone up as well, so if you do want to play along on that game as well, please do head over and see if you can guess my coins correct as well on that video. Couple of review videos to come up before we finish the evening off with a 50p coin hunt. Hopefully we can find some nice commemoratives in that video. And again, as always, if you've been lucky enough to find any commemorative coins at home, please do share them with us in the comments section so I can give you a shout out in that community coin hunts find video, which will be going up tomorrow. Again, a huge shout out and a thank you to all of the members, the subscribers, the viewers on the channel. I do believe that next week we will be hitting the 24,000 subscribers. I honestly can't believe it, and I can't believe just how far we've come together. And again, I cannot thank you all enough. So get those answers below. Good luck in this game this week, guys. And as always, thanks for watching.